Hello, children. Today we will be learning about map symbols. Starting off with the keywords. Some of these you already know, such as direction, compass, and position. So today we will be learning more about map and map symbols. So, what is a map? Maps and plans are views from above or a bird's eye view of a place and uses symbols. Symbols. Symbols are small pictures that stand for different features on a map. A symbol is often drawn to look like what it represents. For example, a triangular shape is often used to denote a mountain. A forest could have little shapes that look like trees. A map key. All symbols for a map are often grouped together in a map key for reference. Map key is a box shape where the symbols are arranged. When you are coloring, it is always good to match colors to what you're depicting. For instance, mountains can be drawn brown and green. If a school is shown, it could be red, like a brick building. Trees and wetlands are green, and so on and so forth. So, time for some questions and see if you can remember these, boys and girls. So, firstly, can you remember the compass directions? Pause the audio, have a think about it. The correct answer is north, east, south, and west. Now, can you make a rhyme to remember the 4 points, or do you remember any? Pause the audio, have a think about it. I usually use never eat soggy waffles, north, east, south, west. Now, boys and girls, I want you to get up and look for a free space. And now you will listen to my instructions. Firstly, boys and girls, I want you to move north. Yep, now step backwards. Turn right to the right side. Now take a left step back. And now turn to face west. Turn to face east. Wow, you guys have done so well. So, map symbols. Map symbols are a quick and easy way to show us what different things or places can be found in an area, such as a telephone point which looks like this, a parking which looks like this, nature reserve, and a railway station. Photographs or writing would take up too much space and be too confusing on a map. Now, boys and girls, take a look at the map symbols in this box here and tell me if you can spot the things in this on the map. Pause the audio. Discuss with a grown-up. I can see some woodlands over here, a river here, nature reserve, a church, a castle, the viewpoint. I could see a road, the moorland, and so on. Here are some symbols. This one's for parking. This one's for a nature reserve. This one is a railway station, and that's a telephone, which we already saw in the previous slides. This is a church, place of worship, a golf course, campsite, and a cycle route. Now, you will be creating a treasure map with new symbols.